Hello, my name is Nur Fatima. I wanna explain about the material definition of Project Basic Learning Model. Project Basic Learning Model is innovative learning that is centered on student and establishes teacher as motivator and facilitator, where students are given the opportunity to work autonomously in constructing their learning. The Project Basic Learning Model is a learning model that involves a project in the learning process. A Project Basic Learning Model is a learning model that uses a project or activity as a medium. The Project Basic Learning Model is the assessment of all students to do individually. Students are required to observe, read, and research. Based on this definition, the researchers concluded that the Project Basic Learning Model is learning that focuses on the activities of students to be able to understand concepts and principles by conducting in-depth research about a problem and looking for relevant solutions, and student learning independently, and the result of this learning is a product. The next material, syntax of Project Basic Learning Model. The first start with the essential question. Learning begins with essential question, namely question that can give achievement to students in carrying out an activity. The achievement topic corresponds to the real world that is relevant to students and begins with an in-depth investigation. The second applying for the project. Planning is done collaboratively between teacher and student. Two students are expected to feel own over the project. Planning contains the rule of the game, the selection of activities that can support in answering essential questions by integrating various possible subjects and knowing tools and material that can be accessed to help complete the project. 3. Create and schedule. Teacher and student collaboratively arrange a schedule of activities in completing the project. Activities at this stage include the first, make a timeline or allocation of time to complete the project. The second, make a deadline for completion, for project completion. 3. Bring students to plan new ways. 4. Guide students when they make unrelated ways to the project, and ask students to make an explanation about using a method. The next, monitor the student and the progress of the project. The teacher is responsible for monitoring student activity during project completion. Monitoring is done by facilitating students in each process. In other words, the teacher acts as a mentor for student activities. In order to simplify the monitoring process, a rubric is created that can record all important activities. The next, assess the outcome. Assessment is carried out to help teachers measure the achievement of standard, play a role in evaluating the progress of each student, provide feedback on the level of understanding that has been achieved by students, assist teachers in developing subsequent learning strategies. And the next, evaluative the experience. At the end, listen the teacher and student reflection on the activities and result of the project that have been carried out. The reflection process is carried out but individually. The last material, project appraisal system. Project appraisal is an examination activity for a task that must be completed within a certain period or time. The task is in the form of an investigation from planning, data collection, organizing, processing, and presenting data. Project appraisal can be used to determine understanding, application skill, investigative abilities, and the ability to clearly inform students on certain subjects. In project appraisal, there are three things to consider. The first, management skill. The second, relevance, and the last, originality. Thank you.